Welcome to this episode. Today, we're diving into a critical but often overlooked aspect of early-stage biotech development, the data room. It's not just a digital folder. It's a carefully curated, secure, and structured story that guides partners from initial interest to serious evaluation.
Yeah, it's interesting how much emphasis usually goes to the science itself, but the way that science is organized and presented can make or break those early partnerships and investments. The data room really acts as a filter, turning casual curiosity into focused diligence.
Exactly. Early-stage biotech platforms are inherently complex. There's platform summaries, patent filings, technical reviews, budgets, partner conversations, and more. Without a well-organized data room, partners can easily get overwhelmed or confused, which stalls progress.
Right, and a well-prepared data room signals a lot more than just organization. It shows that the company is transparent, technically serious, ready for due diligence, confidentiality aware, and prepared for structured collaboration. That's crucial because partners don't just evaluate the science, they evaluate the company's professionalism and readiness to work together.
That's a key point. The data room isn't just a file dump. It's a structured story that guides reviewers logically from the big picture down to the technical details. It helps partners understand who the company is, in this case, Biotech International Institute, what platforms are being developed, what's public versus confidential or patent pending, what technical reviews have been done, what gaps remain, what studies are proposed next, and what kind of partnership is being requested.
And importantly, it avoids overwhelming partners with every document at once. Instead, it provides the right information at the right time, which is a subtle but powerful way to keep the conversation moving forward.
Let's talk about the key sections that make up a partner-ready data room. First up, public summary materials. These are non-confidential documents that introduce the company and platform portfolio. Things like the company overview, mission and vision, platform portfolio summary, public one-pagers, and links to the website and LinkedIn.
Those materials open the conversation without exposing sensitive information too early. Then you have platform one-pagers, which are concise summaries for each platform. For BII, that includes Neuro4All, NeuroReset, Myco4All, Precision Peptides, and AgriShield X.
Each one-pager explains the platform's purpose, the mechanism being explored, patent pending status, development stage, validation needs, ideal partner type, and responsible claims language. It's a quick way for partners to assess if the platform fits their interests.
Then you get into the technical review documents, which go deeper. These explain the scientific rationale, current data, hypotheses, experimental logic, and recommended next studies. This section answers questions like, what's the scientific reasoning? What's been reviewed? What looks promising? What remains uncertain? What should be tested next?
This is really where serious scientific dialogue begins. It's a step beyond marketing language, showing that the platform has been examined rigorously.
Intellectual property and patent summaries come next. The data room should clearly organize the patent pending position without necessarily sharing full confidential patent documents up front. This includes patent family summaries, filing status, platform to patent mapping, non-confidential claims overview, novelty points, and freedom to operate considerations.
IP clarity is essential because it defines what's protected, what's pending, and what supports future commercialization. Then there's the validation roadmap, which is one of the most important documents. It shows not only what exists, but what comes next. Key assumptions to test, proposed assays, biomarker panels, formulation studies, receptor profiling, safety screening, PK/PD planning, clinical or preclinical steps, timelines, and milestones.
That roadmap helps partners see where their expertise or resources might fit. Following that, you have proposed studies and budgets, detailing study objectives, design outlines, CRO quotes, university collaboration concepts, field trial planning, biomarker and formulation testing estimates, and phase-based budgets.
This section moves the conversation from general interest to practical planning and resource allocation. Then, there are partner scopes of work, or SOWs, which define what a partner might actually do. For example, universities might support mechanism or biomarker studies. CROs might run assays or toxicology studies. Industry partners might handle manufacturing or commercialization. And Investors might provide milestone-based funding.
Clarity in SOWs reduces confusion by defining objectives, responsibilities, timelines, deliverables, budgets, reporting, confidentiality, and success criteria. Finally, legal, governance, and confidentiality materials round out the data room. NDA or CDA templates, company formation documents, ownership summaries, governance materials, advisor or partner agreements, compliance policies, ethical frameworks, and conflict of interest disclosures.
These materials demonstrate seriousness about confidentiality, responsibility, and professional collaboration. Now, security and version control are critical. Not every document is accessible to everyone. Some materials are public, others require NDAs or specific partner status.
Responsible data room management includes role-based access permissions, version control to track updates and prevent confusion, document tracking, audit logs where possible, confidential labeling, secure file sharing, and clear rules about downloading or forwarding.
Version control is especially important because documents evolve. Technical reviews get updated, patent summaries change, study plans improve, budgets shift. The data room must clearly indicate which documents are current and which are superseded to maintain trust.
And then there's responsible communication in claims language. Since these platforms are research stage and patent pending, materials must clearly distinguish what's filed versus hypothesized, what's been reviewed versus tested, what remains unvalidated, what future studies are proposed, and what cannot yet be claimed.
This discipline protects credibility and helps partners fairly evaluate the platform's status and potential. Now, why does all this matter for investors, universities, CROs, and other partners?
Investors use the data room to assess platform strength, IP position, development stage, technical gaps, validation pathway, budget needs, commercial potential, partner strategy, and timeline to value creation. A strong data room doesn't eliminate risk, but makes it visible and organized, which serious investors expect.
Universities and CROs benefit by quickly identifying where their expertise fits and proposing appropriate studies. Advisors can spot gaps and recommend next steps. Industry partners can evaluate alignment with their development interests. Overall, a good data room clarifies the path from introduction to diligence to collaboration.
So building a data room isn't just an administrative task. It's a strategic step in becoming partner ready. It signals that the company is prepared for serious conversations with a broad range of collaborators: universities, CROs, investors, biotech and agricultural partners, regulatory advisors, clinical collaborators, and strategic development groups.
The better the data room, the easier it is to move from initial interest to due diligence, and from diligence to collaboration. Ultimately, a research stage platform becomes stronger when its science is clear, documents are organized, and next steps are visible.
The data room protects confidentiality, supports serious review, reduces confusion, strengthens credibility, and helps move the platform from conversation toward action. As BII puts it, research stage, patent pending, built for validation, mechanism first, validation always.
Well said. That's a solid foundation for anyone preparing for the big meeting in biotech development.
Absolutely. It's a reminder that preparation is part of progress.